May I please, my lord? Yeah. My lord, with consent from other side, my lord, I beg to mention item number 7. I am for the respondent here, man.
What is there? There's nothing. Who is for petitioner?
My lord.
This is regarding that UDC,
Yes.
LDC.
cancellation of
LDC.
advertisement,
Lordship?
cancellation of the selection process.
Yes.
No, Lordship.
Huh?
No, this is, yes, to some extent, yes. I thought your Lordship was talking about something else.
No. I think it's something different.
In this case, there was a proper recruitment. Later on, the private respondent, the petitioner, petitioner filed an RTI in which they said that she had higher marks. So therefore, the respondent's selection was quashed.
Okay.
It's a different case.
Okay.
Your Lordship is probably thinking about another matter,
Okay.
which is for orders today.
This is here also the selection is in question.
Yes.
Yes.
The selection was in question by the petitioner
Correct.
who had succeeded in the writ petition.
petition.
Yes.
And then now the other person who was initially appointed is
Yes.
This
The
has refused to pass an interim direction in this matter.
Lordship?
There is no interim direction in this matter.
No, there's no interim
The
direction.
observation is that there are other vacant posts. If they can be accommodated, they can.
Yes.
Why don't you hear it and finish it off?
Lordship? No, I would have, Lordship, but I was requested by my colleague. That is why. Let it be, Lordship.
Have you been appointed?
Yes, she's been appointed.
After
My cancellation, after my
after judgment
Quashman, yes.
the judgment of this court.
Yes,
I mean the
yes.
single judge.
Yes. Lordship, actually, I would have, but I am just trying to be
So
accommodating to
when-
my friend. So we had decided, can this better be taken up on Tuesday next? 5th.
On the joint prayer of the Learned Council for the parties, list this matter on Tuesday is what?
5th.
5/12/2023 for hearing.
All right.
May I, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I would like to mention for an unlisted matter,
What?
Diru Jongnuju versus State of Arunachal Pradesh and another unlisted matter, Lordship, to be
Division
listed
bench.
for tomorrow.
Division bench.
Yes, Lordship.
Division bench.
Yes, Lordship.
Tomorrow.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. So then
Because, Lordship, the matter has not been
you are
listed.
mentioning for listing the matter tomorrow,
Yes,
not
Lordship.
for unlisted.
For unlisted matter, yes. Lord.
Okay. Tomorrow.
Yes, Lordship.
Tomorrow.
Because
What is the issue?
it's related to a mining matter, Lordship. Mining matter, Lordship.
Mining.
Yes, Lordship.
Tomorrow.
May I please, my lord, we have taken concern from other side. I'd like to mention item number 1. Yes, my lord. On behalf of father, my lord, a leading counsel is out of station. So my lord, matter may be listed after 4 weeks.
You are for
Petitioner.
appellant.
Yes. my lord.
Yes. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. Opada, learned special PP, appearing for respondent appellant, who submits that Mr. Opada is out of station due to his personal work. Therefore, and for which he prays for listing the matter. When?
My lord,
Adjourn of the matter.
my lord, after 4 weeks.
After 4 weeks.
You are for a petition.
Malo, I'm for the respondent.
After
You also develop a thing. You are not being paid any pension or your pension.
Madam, I have paid, madam, as per direction of the single bench, I have been paid, everything is
Everything
everything.
is. Then you have no issue.
nothing is there. Why?
Nothing is there like that.
Of course, he is not there. Otherwise, could have been disposed of.
Disposed of him. You have cleared his pensions. That would be subject to what happens in that proceedings, that RE proceedings which are pending. Something happens there, then you pass an order under Rule 9.
Prayer is allowed, list after 4 weeks. Has it been admitted?
Yes, ma'am, this can be admitted, madam. That's not been yet admitted.
Lordship, we need time to file affidavit here, Your Lordship.
What is there?
My lord,
What right do you have?
my lord, because,
Just because you have occupied,
no, my lord,
what? Then,
I have private land, my lord.
Hmm.
I had a private land, my lord. That private land was taken by the governments for construction of Omen hostel, my lord. Then in lieu of that, the governments promised me to allot another land, my lord. Accordingly, in 2007,
where is the promise?
my lord, for allotment, my lord.
No, promise to allot you
Yes, my lord.
by the government.
Uh, My lord, will find it at phase 50, my lord, 50, and type copy is at 51, my lord. It is written by the Deputy Commissioner, my lord. D then Deputy Commissioner at that time, he was the Deputy Commissioner and he was transferred to the.
Appears that you have influenced this officer. Anyway,
If you see the wording, he's occupied.
Anyway. Heard Mr. K. Learned Counsel for the Appellant. Mr. M.S. R. Basar, Learned State Counsel. Praise for and granted. 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition as directed by this court. Is not it? Is not. And what about you?
I will file affidavit.
You will not. Why?
Because I will be relying on
DC will not decide. Second, government has to decide. It's an allotment of land. DC is just he has no authority
Yes,
to approve and allot the land. You also file. Mr. D. Kamdu, Learned Standing Counsel for the Land Management Department, is also granted. He is also directed to file counter affidavit in this matter. List after 4 weeks.
You only think the initial land which we had, whether that land was an occupied land, because the DC said, let us say we occupied that land.
Lordship.
Why don't you just clarify on that?
Lordship.
All right.
What is to be done?
This files relates to
9 and office note 24.
stone
But
crushers.
No, as per the direction of this court,
Yes.
has your thing been considered?
In fact,
Representation has been
instead-
considered.
yes. What
But
they
then
have,
there's a different finding by the deputy commissioner,
yes, what they have done
which is
they-
contrary to the finding, in report of the
Guidelines.
forest department.
that report also contrary to the guideline.
So
You'll also say.
how do we,
We are challenging the impugned report which is prepared by the ADC Pasigat. It is almost same, and we have
ESMO Learned Counsel for the petition?
and it made also a comparative statement.
And also Mr. MS P. Pangur, Learned State Council. For respondent number
128, Your Lordship.
128. Office note, next paragraph. Office note that is 24/11/2023 reflects that service report in respect of respondent number 9 and 10 reports are still awaited. List after await service reports, list after 4 weeks.
Or maybe we will be allowed to take dusty service to the private respondents.
This Mr. ESMO Learned Counsel for the petitioner is also committed to take justice service.
Alright.
Steps permitted take step for respondent for service of notice on respondent number 9 and 10
Yes, manager.
by justice service.
Obliged.
This is the one. This is the one.
Yes.
What is
This
this?
is the one.
Even if you are selected also, you don't have an indefeasible right to be appointed.
Yes.
What is this?
That was what the single judge.
But then it's in order what to do today.
Lordship, since the respondents have also appeared, I'm told Mr. Kato
But
is in the
this is for hearing, admission here.
Lordship, shortly, Lordship, a very
Tomorrow,
short date,
take
Lordship.
it up.
Oblige.
For admission.
Only
Yes.
one clarification. There were two posts in the earlier round of litigation.
Yes,
But
yes.
now one.
Yes.
Any reason for that?
No reason has been given. Also, there was some communication
They have filed the affidavit.
in the writ petition.
Writ
Yes,
petition,
yeah.
yes.
Also, actually, during the time of hearing, some communication was sought for, a copy of which was not given to me. Based on that, the learned single judge.
You participated in the second round of advertisement.
Till now, there has been nothing. Of course, I've applied, but
There is no selection.
no selection. No,
You have not been selected,
Lordship.
but the selection process has completed.
Yes, that one is completed. The second one,
Second.
Lordship.
They cancelled it and then you should have. filed it.
Yes.
Did you take a liberty
So-
from this court to appear in the second round, second advertisement?
No, Lordship. In fact, I
Then in
tomorrow, Lordship.
then not tomorrow, next week.
Next week.
Next week, Lordship.
I don't find any merit.
Uh,
Next week,
can it be on Wednesday then? Wednesday?
huh?
Wednesday? Next week, Wednesday?
Next week.
6th?
MS and Daniel counsel for the appellate. This matter on 6th.
For admission.
2022. For admission.
You
Here.
look up on case laws that where without liberty you have participated. Subsequently, you have not. taken a-
Participated, Lordship.
Yes, you
Till
have
now, there is
applied.
nothing.
Finished, you have applied.
Yes.
So how will that have to be looked into?
Yes, Lordship. Obliged.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Madam, this is in the order stage, madam. Subject to your lordship convenience. I will pray for a disposal.
The IA.
So the writ appeal as well, because my lord, in the writ appeal.
You are
my
not
lord,
pressing the IA.
I am, madam, of course, madam, because.
If you are pressing the IA, we'll take up today.
Yes,
If not, we'll list it for admission hearing.
because my difficulty here is that, here I'm challenging my rejection, my lord. And in the meantime, my lord, on
In
20th.
appeal, there's no stay of the judgment.
Unfortunately, for some reason or other, this could not be taken up, my lord, till that.
For
such
consideration
Yes, ma'am.
of your interim prayer.
For admission, also it was never taken up, my lord.
No, it was, have you not been heard after filing of the writ appeal?
No, my lord. First when it was listed, my lord, there is one order of Justice Tagyan. So, of course, that is not under challenge, my lord. But because of that, my lord, it was not taken up.
It was taken up on 14/11 when you took an adjournment.
Yes, my lord. On that day, my lord, I was unwell. my lord.
See,
I was-
once that order is not stayed of the honorable learned single judge, how can we entertain your?
That is one difficulty. That is why I.
So
filed.
you want that this should be disposed of.
Yes, ma'am. This is a very small matter, my lord.
A small matter, this, suppose you have not complied with the requirement of the clauses.
Point five.
What's the question of,
My lord, requirement that is there is.
you participate now, what's there?
Well, that is one aspect is there because now, my one.
See, whatever has happened there, it's
Right.
with regard to the earlier NIT.
Yes.
That is gone.
Yes.
Now everything is in a clean slate. You go and participate.
My lord,
Figure up,
And-
clear
and-
up those.
Or else if you have a right to challenge this fresh NIT, you can file a writ petition if you have some ground. But by IA, by way of IA, for staying the NIT is not It's different.
Also when there is.
That is why, my lord, I'm praying for the disposal of the writ appeal itself. It will not take much time. Subject to your lordship.
You can argue.
The difficulty is this, the opening of the NIT is fixed on the.
Monday or Tuesday, Monday.
Monday.
Heard Mr. D. Soki, learned counsel for the appellant. Also heard Mr. S. Tapin, learned counsel, plus learned senior government advocate for the state response. List this matter for admission hearing on 4/12/2023. The day admission is taken, you can.
You come prepared.
That may I mention item number 6, my lord. In this matter, my lord, ITPP has to file the detailed affidavit. My lord, whether there was any agreements to pay the my lord, uses of the land before acquisition, my lord.
Yes.
And if payment is to be made, who has to make payment, my lord? This land has been taken over by the my lord, ITPP from the Assam Rifle. And my lord, the compensations, my lord, after the acquisition, everything, my lord, the present compensation has been paid. Now they are claiming for the past position and the market as per the market rate, man. So therefore, need to file affidavit after 2 weeks.
11th of January. Is quick.
Subject to
On the prayer of Mr. M. Karto, learned DSGI. List this matter on 11/12/2023. So as to enable the learned counsel, the learned DSGI to file affidavit in opposition. Mr. J. Licker, learned counsel for the petition of present.
deeply obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. To take up the unlisted matter, Lordship, today.
What is that?
Lordship, this is the tender matter, Lordship. I'll only show the two documents, how the respondent authority has committed the.
Tomorrow.
Lordship, the problem is, Lordship, the financial.
Tender matter is so bulky, would like to go through.
It's only 58 pages. Lordship.
And in view of the judgment of the Supreme Court,
Lordship.
NG project,
Lordship.
don't expect the interim.
Lordship, my case is completed.
Unless that judgment is reviewed,
Lordship.
this court is not inclined.
Lordship. But Lordship, so far as my case.
What is the project? What is the work?
Lordship, this is the.
Construction of road.
No, Lordship. 100-bedded hostel, Lordship.
Huh?
Hostel, Lordship, in the Department of Education. Lordship.
It's more important. It's more important than the construction of road.
I'm conscious with that, Lordship. Now the Lordship, in this entire matter.
We'll see
Lordship,
tomorrow. Huh?
there is a financial bid will be open. I'll show only two documents where
Let
the.
it be open. I've indicated no stay. We'll dispose it of the earliest, but then no stay. So it's of no use.
And Lordship,
Let us see. Just wait.
deeply obliged.
May I, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26 and 27 on behalf of AAG Arish Nabam. This matter may be listed after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What about the petitioner?
Yeah, I have informed Your Lordship.
MS P. Pangur, Learned State Council on the consent of the Learned Council for the petitioner pressed for and granted 3 weeks time.
2 weeks. Okay.
2 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
2 weeks.
I will ask Your Lordship.
List this matter after 2 weeks.
My lord, this matter, we are supposed to file affidavit is ready. The officer who is to swear the affidavit is busy in DPC. So affidavit will file tomorrow And on 30, this matter may be taken up for final discussion.
And then this point.
Yes.
Then if he files tomorrow, I think we also need to reply also. It is not something whatever they will write, we have to.
So we'll, then in that case, we'll list this matter on 30th,
13.
and we'll see.
Yes.
There's only my finalization, maybe, my lord.
When it, the preliminary bid has already been opened,
Yes.
when?
On 20.
We'll see on 30th.
Yeah.
On 20th, it's just an open. They have just opened it, it may take time. So we'll see on, and then you just, you file it by tomorrow, we'll list this better day after.
Yeah.
We'll try to, this, we'll see. And if you want to file some reply, we'll give you a time. But then we'll see the status, and we'll see your affidavit
Yes.
for consideration of interim. Correct? List this, Mr. G. Tarak, Standing Council for Rural Works Department, submits that the affidavit is ready of swearing what is left due to what do we say?
The officer who is supposed to swear affidavit is busy in
Person left.
DPC proceeding.
For the reason that the officer who is supposed to swear the affidavit is
VG in DPC.
in dispense with Mr. On view of the above, Mr. G. Tarak is permitted to file the affidavit in opposition by tomorrow and then list the matter and list thereafter list the matter on 30/11/2023.
Progress.
1 and 2. Sir, government land.
My lord. My lord. Pick up the cases, my lord, date, my lord. In the year 2009, I have a plot of land is in my possession, which is.
No, why you are saying this Sirimote Yade Minga Nabam?
My lord, there is my neighbor, my lord.
Ha.
Just neighbor.
Her case has been recommended for
Yes, yes,
compensation.
yes, yes.
Then you approach them.
My lord, if
What is your prayer in this writ petition?
my lord, just given, my lord.
Huh? Yes?
Entry protection will be given from the eviction.
No, you have to establish your main case. I mean, the case, then only will
My
think
lord.
about the interim protection. Huh?
My lord, I built a residential company.
No, if you have built an illegal thing, nothing doing.
My lord,
It's a government land only. Government quarter.
Yes, my lord, what happened?
Yes, dismantled.
No, that was dismantled for construction of highway.
So,
He has, after that demolition, he has occupied and constructed it.
constructed.
my lord, there is not a fake, my lord, actually. My lord, my land is adjacent to the quarter, my lord. That building, government quarter has been dismantled by the holder itself, and thereafter road has been constructed on that plot, and my land is just nearby the adjacent to the dead quarter. That was the issue actually. Not, I have not built my house at that plot of land. That's fact is not correct, my lord. And my lord, it has been, my lord, if they have any complaint, then when I was constructing my land, at the time they should have been made a complaint. I've already made an structure has been erected, and I have been living there since 2017. And eviction of my house is not serve a purpose. If the eviction of the
Let us see the impure order. You have been directed for where it is?
Page number 99.
Fifteen 11. It's your dwelling house.
My lord,
The house
it's
you
a-
have constructed.
My lord, it's a building, my lord.
You are not residing there.
I'm residing there. And
Are you sure?
Yes, small shop is also there. my lord.
Small
Sure.
shop were not, I mean, but if you are residing there, then,
Yes, I'm residing, my lord.
sir, what is the status if they are residing here?
I have to take instruction regarding that one, but as far as I have spoken to the director, it says though portion of the building was demolished quarter, after that definitely some portion will be there remaining. Near that she has constructed.
Not dwelling. Okay. Nothing big. You want the dismissal or you want, you may approach them to ask for vacating for another 15 days or 10 days or something like that.
My lord, the
No, we
thing
can,
is,
this cannot be permitted.
my lord,
I'm sorry.
the facts they have placed is, my lord, not the correct facts, my lord. I have that land is in my possession since 2019, which is just adjacent to that quarter, and
But admittedly, this is a government land. You have illegally occupied and constructed it.
that's true, yeah, my lord.
Then in that case,
It is under the Itanagar capital, my lord.
We'll just fixing it for tomorrow. You obtain the instruction.
Yes.
Where the petitioner and the families are residing in this structure, I mean building.
We'll say admittedly, page
In
14.
that case, we'll give him another 15 days.
Lordship,
Or
kindly,
else we'll dismiss.
kindly see the page 14.
14.
It's her own statement, which has been reflected here.
Yes.
The second para, there's Simiti Tai Anam stated that after
Which
demo,
Tayanam? Tayanam is not the petitioner.
wife of it.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Wife of the petitioner.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
After demolition of government quarter by district administration for construction of 4-lane national highway, and after found vacant, they have constructed a vegetable shop. She also informed that the government quarter allotment was Mr. Tapos Pai. Further, she
Yeah.
informed that she is not having any
My
title.
lord,
Vegetables have nothing.
my lord,
You withdraw or I'll dismiss it.
notice may be issue, my lord.
No, no.
My lord,
Doesn't deserve notice also.
my
I mean,
lord,
it has to be, no, it cannot be permitted.
my lord,
You have occupied and constructed a vegetable
Shop, yes.
shop.
my lord.
I thought it's your dwelling house.
My lord, no,
Then
my
we
lord,
can give you some time at least
my lord.
to remove or whatever. At least 1 month we can grant.
Yes, that way.
Vegetable shop, no.
My lord, that is not exact correct. Which
Other-
he has.
Otherwise, there's nothing
That is
made of
your
that.
statement.
I don't want to.
Why statement of your wife?
Where it is, my lord?
Page 14, para 2. It's your petition. You have annexed this order.
My lord, that is the order of the state officer, my lord.
Have you made any statement?
My
That-
lord, I have not
that
made any
My wife has not made this statement
no, my
in the
lord.
writ petition.
Maybe, my lord,
Not maybe, you have to be sure.
my lord, what I am trying to submit is, my lord. My version of the story is that I have not constructed my building on that plot of land which they have evicted, my lord. That is my version, my lord. And second, my lord maybe appreciate this, my lord. My neighboring, my neighboring house is also under the so-called notice, and his case is admittedly sent for the compensation of the.
So you go and approach the
And-
authority for
My lord-
penalty for similar treatment.
If
you
my
can-
land is
if you
evicted,
can
my lord.
make out. Just because somebody has been recommended for compensation, you just cannot, without establishing whether you are equally situated or not, you just cannot claim a parity.
My lord, if that is evicted, my lord, I have no another alternative house to live, my lord. I have been living there since 2019, my lord, or 2009, my lord.
So in that case, on your insistence, I'll issue a notice, but I'll make it clear. Does your interim prayer for stay of the impugned order has been rejected? We'll reject your interim prayer, or else we'll dismiss it and have it petition. Or Mr. Odugong, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also, Mr. You are for respondent number
128.
MS R. Bashar for standing London State Council for respondent number 1, 2, and 3. And Mr. Peter for standing council for respondent number standing council UG and housing for respondent number 4.
Yes.
Issue notice, returnable. Right, it's returnable within 4 weeks. Since the learned counsel for the respondents have entered appearance, no formal notice need be served. I would ask the court to permit. That's all. Because
Except sympathy, nothing is there in this petition.
just because of
Anyway, man.
I'll not say anything on that.
Yes.
May I, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, the main leading counsel of the petitioner is out of station. So kindly this matter may be fixed for final argument after 3 weeks, and I have taken consent from the other party.
What is the matter, madam? Can you tell us?
The petitioner was a lecturer in Apex Professional University, was terminated from his service by the respondent university authority with immediate effect. Without giving prior notice, he was handed with a termination
Your
notice.
appointment is, what is the nature of your appointment? Let us come to page, you come to page 16 appointment order. It's a regular appointment.
Page number 16.
Contractual basis. Is there any prescribed time period? Have you been given 2 months notice?
No, sir.
You can terminate. You are for respondent.
Respondent number 1, Lordship.
1. Who is respondent number 1? Apex University.
Apex University.
Is it a state or authorities under Article 12 of the Constitution of India? Apex University. Is the writ petition maintainable against the Apex Professional University? Is it an authority? Or you are blank?
Lordship, we have already filed an affidavit in opposition.
What you have said?
We
I'm just
have
asking whether this affects Professor your university falls within the definition of Article 12. Authority, meaning of authority,
Yes, Lordship.
is it?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. And your appointment order as page 16. Allegation is absence from the duty, madam.
Yes, sir.
Then you read clause 3 and 4. First is for 12 months, is not it? Then you should not remain absent from the war. You have to remain absent.
No, sir, because he couldn't come because his wife was sick.
Doesn't matter. If your wife is or your relative is sick, there's a procedure for applying leave or something like that. Anyway, who is the leading counsel?
Ibomili.
MS so-and-so learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. E. Millie, learned counsel for the petitioner. Praised for and granted 4 weeks time
Obligation.
for listing the matter. 4 weeks time, Mr. MS so-and-so learned counsel appears for learned counsel for the petitioner. Oh, sorry, respondent. Respondent present. List after 4 weeks for admission.
Much obviously. We need some more time to file affidavit.
Huh?
We need some more time.
Nobody appears. This is what, madam?
Pending bills.
Pending bills. None appears on call. Next para, MS K. Wong, Learned State Council, press for and granted 4 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition.
Hello. Yeah,
Yes.
the state has to file their affidavit.
We are yet to receive the instruction.
When? How many days? Weeks?
After
Heard Mr. B. Pitcher, Learned Council for the petition. Mr. Wade, Learned State Council. Press for and granted 6 weeks, 4 weeks,
4 weeks.
4 weeks, 4 weeks,
Even the central respondent has to file their affidavit.
4 weeks time to file something of the praise the law. No, praise for and granted 4 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. The respondent number?
Respondent number
None appears for the respondent number
1, 2, 3, and 4.
1, 2, 3, and 4. The respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 may also file affidavit in opposition. Not appears, huh? Then
Respondent number 5, D come to Vistira. Respondent number 5.
okay. Mr. D come to Learned Standing Council for Learning for respondent number 5.
Yes.
Huh? You want also
Yes.
file? You want to also file affidavit?
Yes.
Also press for and granted. 4 weeks time to file.
Yeah, please proceed. On behalf of the Lordship, we are waiting for we are waiting instruction from the department, Lordship, to file affidavit. of-
Where is Mr. Tara? I thought I'll dispose of this way. It's a covered case.
Lordship.
You have been directed to
Conduct a DPC. Lordship.
conduct a DPC.
Lordship.
You have conducted, is not it? And these people have been left out.
Lordship.
If you can, without affidavit also, if you agree that the DPC can be conducted, then you can direct it.
Lordship,
Of course,
will-
Jamo is not there.
Lordship will take.
Where is Mr.
instruction,
Tara?
Lordship is in
Sports meet.
no, Lordship, in station.
Heard Mr.
K. Lawlin, Lordship.
Petitioner. All the cases, no?
Lordship.
9, 10, 11.
Lordship.
Next. Mr.
K. Tabang.
K. Tabang. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Jamo, learned standing counsel, press for and granted. 2 weeks time to provide affidavit notice. List after 3 weeks. Where is Mr. Jamo?
Lordship, he's having some health issues. Huh? Health issues. He's having some health issues.
Health issue.
Lordship.
Okay. 3 weeks. List after.
Only respondent number 3 has filed the affidavit. Only respondent number 3 has filed affidavit.
Lordship, other respondents are also filing. We are in receipt of the instruction.
So we want sometime.
Lordship, we'll file in the meantime, the next date may be fixed for final disposal because stay is there and this is a case wherein Lordship, the petitioners, they have damaged the quarter inside the wildlife sanctuary and they have removed the quarter and they have built their own home there already.
Who is called respondent number 3? Who is respondent number 3?
Is Deputy Wildlife.
Deputy Commissioner.
Deputy Commissioner.
DC has filed already.
DC has said nothing. DC has said that we have been requested to provide
Yes,
police force.
yes.
Therefore, we have provided nothing
Yes.
else.
For eviction of that petitioners.
Nothing else.
Yes.
It doesn't answer to the thing. So you
Lots.
need to file a 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2.
1, 2 is
Mr.
NC.
So and so, learned counsel. Appears for learned counsel for petitioner. No, heard Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners. Next. MSG, learned additional senior government deputy. Praise for it. Has submitted that she
Two.
has received the Pharaoh's comment
from
for-
2 Lordship.
on behalf of Pharaoh's comment from respondent number 2,
Yes.
for which she seeks sometime to file the counter affidavit. See further. And she expresses urgency in the matter. And further praise for listing the matter after
Lordship.
3 weeks.
Lordship, can I have a fix that Lordship?
Listing the matter on
19.
19/12/2023.
For admission
final-
hearing.
For admission hearing. Mr.
There's an interim moment. That may be filed.
There's a law. List. This matter on 19/12/2023. List of, in the meantime, MS GF Leonard, additional senior government may file a counter affidavit.
Much
Interim
obliged.
order plus this is continued.
My lord, here will file affidavit as because the petitioner is seeking for the compassionate appointment, my lord.
Okay. After 11 years,
My lord.
this court, while sitting with chief, has disposed of many cases on the delayed claim of delayed claim on compassionate appointment. You find out what. Or MS so and so learned the petitioner. Next para, Mr. M. Kato learned DSGI. Press for and granted. 3 weeks time to file affidavit of opposition. This after 2 weeks.
Deep level as well. May I, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, this matter seem to be Lordship, infractions Lordship. As because Lordship's petitioner ought to file appeal, Lordship. Lordship may see Lordship order dated 12/10/2023, Lordship. Arunachal Pradesh Public Premises Act, Lordships. If any party agree with the order of the state officer, Lordship, have to file Lordship appeal under section 12 of Arunachal Pradesh Public Premises Evictions of Unauthorized
Which
Act,
for
Lordship.
petitioner? Yeah. You inform your friend?
Lordship, petitioners, I think morning Lordship, petitioners available in courtroom also, Lordship. Lordship, here
What do
in
you
this
want to
case,
do? Respondent? You are
I am for the private respondent, Lordship.
who you are?
I am the complainant, Lordship.
Okay. Against the encroachment.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. So that in that case, let them file affidavit.
Lordship,
It's not encroachment. They have filed an appeal.
they ought to file appeal, Lordship, as per the provisions, Lordship.
So in that case, it's not
Yes.
infraction, it's not maintainable.
Yes, Lordship, not maintainable, Lordship.
So
Not
that
maintainable,
if it
Lordship.
is not
Alternative
maintainable-
remedy is not existed, Lordship.
It's not maintainable, we'll hear the
Yes.
petitioner.
Lordship, then Lordship fix the matter, Lordship. Anyway, I will inform Lordship.
Non appears on behalf, non appears for petitioner. On call, next para. Mr. G. Bam, learned counsel appears for respondent number
4, Lordship.
4. Mr. Why Riram?
1, 2, 3.
State, learned state council for respondent number 1, 2, 3. Press for and granted 3 weeks time to file counter affidavit.
Lordship, counter affidavit, Lordship.
Your Lordship, we have not received the extra copies till date.
Lordship, statutory appeal, Lordship.
No, it's a point of law. You may
Yes.
argue that you file an affidavit objecting the maintainability of raising the maintainability of the writ petition.
Lordship, by Lordship, that's whatever.
You inform your friend.
Yes, Lordship.
It
I
will be
inform-
listed after 3 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
All right. You may be correct.
Yes.
Writ petition may not be maintainable. You file an objection raising the maintainability.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly pass over the matter. The council for the petitioner is engaged in court 1.
Possible. What are their orders?
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of Sri Modi. counsel for the petitioner.
What is to be done today?
My lord, respondent number 1 and 2 yet to file their counter affidavit.
They are yet to file.
Yes, Your Honor.
Who is appearing? Why Ram? Contempt. Item
20 or 16.
Item 16. Your name is reflected.
Yes, Your Lordship, but I don't have the brief, Your Lordship. I don't have the brief, Your
It's
Lordship.
a contempt. Be serious. How you can just take that, make that excuse?
Your Lordship,
What do you want?
Your Honor?
You are appearing for all.
Yes, yes, my lord.
No, respondent number. You are appearing for respondent number 1.
Your Lordship, I don't have the brief, Your Lordship. Though my name has been reflected, Your Lordship.
How many respondent?
3, Your Lordship.
There is a office note, PKT, senior advocate, and his associates. For respondent number 3 and for respondent number 2, 1. Have you taken press steps for respondent number 2?
Not pressed, but earlier we have taken the steps, Your Honor, as per the direction of the court.
This is of September. Why? Not latest office note. It's of September. It's in October. I mean November now. We'll wait for some time.
Okay, my lord.
Or will you take press step? You have taken on 27 July.
Yeah.
You take press step for respondent number 2.
Respondent number 2. Okay, my lord.
Office note dated 21/9/23 reflects that answer notice in respect of respondent number 2 has returned back. Mr. Next page. In view of the other. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is permitted to take press steps. Should I record your name?
No, Your Lordship.
Why your name is here? Have you filed the wakalatnama, signed the wakalatnama?
Yes, Your Lordship, I have signed
In
it.
that case, you just cannot withdraw like that.
Yes.
Mr. Y. Ram, learned counsel appearing on behalf of respondent number 1 and 3 present. You file an affidavit.
Yes. Obliged.
Lordship, in this matter, my lord, the affidavit on the part of the respondent number 1, 2, 3 is required, my lord. It's because there is a fixation of the lease rent prior to 2008, my lord.
So when do you want
I have filed already, Lordship. Deputy Commissioner.
for respondent number?
4.
And other respondent 5, 6 and respondents are private respondents, my lord, who they are the landowners, my lord. Other is landowner, they are. Respondent number 4, 5 and 6, they are landowners. And my lord, the other is also, my lord, the respondent.
No.
1, 2, 3, if they file affidavit, my lord, clarifying the lease rent amount, my lord, period to 2088.
I'll say when they want, you want to file. Yes, otherwise, Mr. M. Kato, learned DSJ.
I am 1 and 4.
Petitioner. 1 and 4.
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. M.S. G. Learned additional senior government advocate for respondent number appearing for respondent number
1 and 4, Lordship.
1 and 4, who submits that she has already filed her affidavit, the affidavit in opposition. Mr. D comes to the standing counsel for then management department. Press for and granted 3 weeks time.
Yeah.
To file counter affidavit. Next para. Office note dated 17/8/23 indicates that service report, the services on respondent number, services of notice on respondent number 5 and 6 has duly been served. Mr. Herbert, non-APS for the respondent number 5 and 6. List after 3 weeks.
Malad. Deputy Principal.
My lord, only respondent number 6 filed their affidavit and rest are yet to file their affidavit.
What is the matter?
In the matter, we are challenging the impugn order
What is
passed
the-
by the.
What is the impugn order?
Lord, impugn order was rejected the claims of the
Page
petitioners.
35 is impugn order.
Is there interim order?
No, Lordship.
Operating in-
Lordship, we have already filed no interim order, Lordship. If they
Yeah.
are not
Mr.
filing.
Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner, MSG at learned additional senior government advocates appearing for respondent number
Lordship, just a second. Not one, Lordship. 3, 4 and 5, Lordship.
3, 4 and
3, 4, 5 and 6.
you have already filed.
I have already filed, Lordship.
Submits that she has already filed that affidavit in opposition. Mr. D come to learned standing counsel. 1 for land management, appears for respondent number 1. You want to file affidavit?
No, here in this case, my affidavit will not be received.
They non appears for respondent number 2. List after 3 weeks for admission hearing.
Yes.
What about this contempt? Okay, okay.
We have already obliged Lordship, although there was a bit of late was there, but.
No, your, my lord.
Have you filed the affidavit?
My lord, here, respondent number 1 and 2 has to file their affidavit.
Yeah, Lordship, we have filed
Contempt.
already.
No, read,
They have filed, not filed.
not filed.
What about the contempt?
Contempt is in violation of the interim order passed by this honorable.
No, he said they have complied with.
No, they have violated it.
No, he said he has complied with.
No, it has not been complied.
We have filed our affidavit.
They have only filed their affidavit.
Huh?
They have only filed their affidavit.
No. In the contempt,
Yes,
they have filed the affidavit.
yes.
Saying that they have complied with.
Saying that they were unaware of the facts.
Lordship,
They were unaware because he was
Lordship-
not in the station.
Lordship,
Annexure 1,
where it is,
page 9, Annexure 1,
not the writ petition.
not contempt.
Contempt number 10. Lordship.
Yes, my lord. There are
In
two
contempt 10,
Yes.
Contempt 10, Lordship, it's
respondent number 1,
Lordship. Because the
affidavit for respondent number 1.
Yes, my lord.
Okay,
In contempt 10, there is only one respondent. my lord.
where it is?
Para 7, page 6. Para 7. May I read? my lord? The statement made in paragraph 6 and 7 of the contempt petition are denied and not admitted in view of the fact that no complaint has been received in the office of the DC or DRSO regarding burning, chopping of the petitioner plants before or after passing of the interim order dated so and so. And therefore, no action could be taken against anyone. Since the answering deponent was unaware of all this happening as well as it could not say that anything happened there should be presumed as carried out by the deponent.
What is the interim order?
Interim order, my lord, may please come to page 18 of my contempt petition 10. Interim order was that no construction activities should be carried out in over my land unless the physical verification has been carried out. Page number 20 would be page 20 would be relevant for page 20 of contempt petition number 10.
So we have direct to conduct the hearing of the petition on this objection. Have you conducted the hearing?
Lordship, it's in our affidavit, page 9.
Number 1, first you have to conduct the hearing.
Lordship,
Number 2, till the completion of hearing, no work should be undertaken.
Lordship, we have not gone there at all.
You have
Because
not
he is
taken-
the deputy commissioner, Lordship. So our page 9, Annexure 1.
Then where is the hearing?
No, Lordship, actually it was to be verified.
No, conduct the hearing. Page 20. Respondents are hereby directed to conduct the hearing of the petitioner on his objection relating to his land, including the project and the others. You need to conduct the hearing.
No, hearing was, Lordship, earlier also we did the hearing.
No, after the direction of this court. What about the other contempt?
My lord,
Same.
in this first contempt 10 of 2023, they have cut down my trees in Sakurijo.
Who?
And
Deputy Commissioner.
by the authority of the deputy commissioner, it seems, because the
No.
construction of headquarters is going on.
You file a proper affidavit. First, you have to conduct a hearing. Then next is, you should not undertake any work.
No, that we have done also. No,
No, you have not undertaken any work.
we have
But
not-
You have not conducted the hearing.
Lordship, hearing
Only
was-
this annexure shows you have deputed some officials to verify. That is your internal thing. Now you can have it on the basis of the verification, you can conduct the hearing on this objection. That is the
Lordship,
essence of the,
as
that's
per-
the essence of the interim order.
Lordship, as for the instruction, even the hearing also, even the verification also, he is not ready to. The petitioner is not.
Where do you have this thing?
No, that later forward.
You file an appropriate additional affidavit.
Lordship.
Bringing on all this. Otherwise, there is a contempt. Just issuing a letter for verification will not suffice. Right?
Lordship.
Mr.
In the
And
main
the writ petition?
in the main writ petition, respondent number 1 and 2 should file their affidavit. Why? Because, my lord, it is necessary.
It's you.
Yes.
You want time?
Page
In
40.
contempt, huh? In contempt.
In the
In contempt. Mr. Had Mr. B. Pitcher, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also had Mr. I. Rida, learned counsel for the Alice contemptor. Mr. By the it is seen that Alice contemptor has filed an affidavit stating that no, just delete it. By annexer 1 to the affidavit of opposition filed by Alice and Ignat, the Alice contemptor has deputed some officials for verification of the subject line. Verification of the subject line. However, in the entire affidavit, there's nothing to show that the interim order of this court dated
interim order dated 25/1/2023.
25/1/2023 has been duly complied with. Has it clearly provided and has this court has clearly provided that the Alice contemptor shall conduct a hearing on the objection of the writ petition. In view of the book, Mr. I. Ram is granted further 3 weeks time to file additional affidavit clarifying the extent of the Alice contemptor.
And in contempt number 16, my lord, respondent number 1 has to file their affidavit. The DC.
And contempt number 16, huh?
So we say same contents.
No, Mr.
Separate
File
contempt.
the same affidavit here, bringing on the clear status, huh? Whatever instruction you have, because it doesn't indicate. Mr. I. Ram, then it's counsel for the respondent number 1. Alice contemptor, press for him, granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit. In main,
my lord,
Hard Mr. So same, huh? Mr. He come to learn counsel, learn standing counsel for the respondent number
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Press for him, granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit of opposition. And you have filed here?
Yes, here we have filed.
Yes.
Mr. I. Ram Lanan, additional senior government submits that he has already filed the affidavit of opposition. This matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, in this case, Your Lordship, service report is still awaiting.
Hard Mr. So learn counsel for the petitioner. Next para, office note dated 24/11/23 indicates, reflects that service report in respect of respondent 1 and 2 is still awaiting. Awaited service reports, list after 4 weeks.
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
This is 23 to 25 is similar matters dealing with the land compensation. Your Lordship, I'm representing petitioner of item number 24, Your Lordship. Item number
23 and 25 is
I'm representing the 24.
Tison's case.
Tison's case.
Senior case.
What to do?
Maybe fix.
Why this has been clubbed together? It's 2017-18 matters, very difficult.
Why this is club? Because
And we have
I-
enough time also.
23 is a West Siang case and then 25
West Siang,
is.
can I take up?
I'm not representing West Siang.
Huh?
I'm not representing that case. I'm representing the
In
item.
23, this is West Siang case and 25 is Tadam Lida is.
I think
upper
this item 25 we have discussed when I was that side.
Tadam Lida. Upper Subansiri.
This is
Therefore-
regarding that application of 2013.
Yes.
Direction for acquire the land or
And the
payment of the compensation in terms of the 2013.
right to fair compensation, yes.
I'll not take up this.
Yes.
I have argued.
We'll fix afterwards.
Similar matters.
Where I said it's not applicable. So that will be not be fair.
Conflict of interests.
What about those cases? And in Supreme Court? Still pending. So issue is the same.
Yes.
Issue is
Claiming
Same.
compensation in terms as per the 2013 Act.
Yes,
Polisiam and
same.
all those.
Yes.
Yes.
Even in
So I cannot
Domin
take up-
Lomi case, it's the same.
I think it's not proper to take up this court to take up this matter.
Yes.
Leave it to your lordship.
In that case, it's 2017 matter.
Mm.
You pursue or you may pursue next week. I'll say, I'll not take up this.
Mm.
Different.
Otherwise also you are not ready.
From my side,
Ready.
no issue.
You are
It may be,
ready.
no, it may be take up with the same similar matters with the Sunset case, 23 and 24.
We can have a fixed
20
date then,
fixed date.
in that case.
The problem is in item 23 and 24, nobody appears.
23 and 25, yes. I'm not in the 24.
Who is in there 24? You will have. What is your prayer? What is your stand? They are not entitled.
Has been reduced, your lordship. As far as.
Anyway. I cannot pass any order
Yes.
in that case.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, sir.
I sincerely believe. Because
I think you may take, next time you may, if there is a stay
and that
before the Supreme Court.
yes, yes.
It's a similar case, this
Yes,
case is
that
taken
is what-
after the
Yes, I have
disposal,
what
not before,
yes,
because I will not
I suggested.
taking it up. You
Yes.
may ask you may make a mention before any other bench. Appropriate bench.
Yes.
Because if it's similar, but you have to find out exactly whether it's a claim and everything is similar.
No, this is yes.
If it is similar,
it is
since
similar.
there is stay, they can wait for the outcome of the
Yes,
Supreme Court.
that is what I was suggesting.
If it is really a similar matter.
Mm.
But there is a, recently Supreme Court has said, suppose if the matter is referred to the larger bench, the pendency in the larger bench in the Supreme Court on the same issue will not be a bar for considering by the High Court. But if the similar matter has been stayed by the Supreme Court, this can, the High Court can wait for that, till the disposal of that matter.
Yes, I was told that this coming January, all those cases will be taken up by the Supreme Court.
List these matters. List this matter, huh? You separate order. Or, no, it's been tagged together, no?
Yes, yes, it's clubbed together.
List these matters before any other events.
Oblige yours.
Bless you, lordship.
Fifteen. Okay. Okay. What is to be done?
My lord, the prayer of the petitioner from regarding retender.
Now, it's ordered stage whether the service has been completed or not. Huh?
My lord. So this.
Fix it for admission hearing. What is the matter?
Matter is regarding the petitioner from by virtue of L1 was selected, he was qualified and accepted for the work for construction of 40 main barrack at Bameng Outpost 34 BN ITBP. And pursuant to the letter of acceptance, the work was awarded to the petitioner firm.
We listed for admission hearing. You would like to file affidavit?
My lord, affidavit has been already filed. If the interviewer is to made on next date on for disposal.
No, we'll lift. That's why today it's for order, so we'll fix it for admission. On the day you may pray for this one. All right. You don't want to file reply?
No.
Mr.
B Kamda.
D.
B Kamda.
B Kamda, Learned Counsel. Heard Mr. B Kamda, Learned Counsel for the petition. I must, Mr. Also heard Mr. M. Kata, Learned Counsel.
For all this.
Learned DSGI.
For all.
Non-appeals. 4. Respondent number 6.
Yes.
Despite service of notice. Listen. This matter for admission hearing. On any date or after 3 weeks?
Any date.
After 3 weeks.
Well.
Develop.
What is your unlisted matter? It will take time. We'll see. Okay.
/25/2023 notes. From the register eligible class 2 and class 3 contractor notes. For the construction of 100-bed Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Avasya Vidyalaya at Dulum Primary School, Dulum, Upper Secondary District. Lordship will find the NIT Lordship at page number 24. Lordship. Page number 24 Lordship. The NIT Lordship will find it page number 29 Lordship. Thereafter, Lordship, the petitioner, Lordship, he being eligible participants for the tender, Lordship, he submitted his bid along with all the required documents as per the SPD, Lordship. However, Lordship, as per the clause, Lordship will find at page number 55, Lordship.
55.
Lordship. Lordship. This is the site visit certificate, Lordship. This certificate has been made mandatory by the respondent authority to submit along with the documents, Lordship. And this clause, Lordship will find it page 39, that clause 47, Lordship.
This is the certificate you are supposed to issue. I mean, and
Submit
enclose
along
it.
with the bidder documents.
Yes.
Lordship.
Hmm.
Page number 40, page number 39, Lordship.
What does it say?
Lordship. Page number 47, Lordship, the sub-clause 17, Lordship.
Next page.
Lordship, page number 40, Lordship.
Ah.
As per this clause, Lordship,
So there is performance includes internal definition, this will be letter to the participant council.
Lordship. By complying this clause, Lordship, I have submitted my bidder documents along with the site verification certificate, Lordship. With the after it was being countersigned by the concerned J and A of the concerned area, Lordship. Now after that, Lordship, when the technical bid was uploaded in the opened and uploaded in the website, Lordship, they have found that they have cited a clause which is not even existed in the SBD, Lordship. The first minutes of technical bid, Lordship will find at page number 56, Lordship. Annexure D, Lordship.
DDY,
Lordship, I am the DDY, Lordship.
non-responsive.
Non-responsive, Lordship. Lordship will find at the last paragraph, Lordship, the transgression clause of clause 42, subclause Roman 7, Lordship, of SBD, Lordship. This clause is not even existed in the SBD, Lordship. Now, accordingly, I have protested this and submitted my representation, Lordship, before the
Let us see 42.7.
Lordship.
What is 42.7?
Lordship will find page number 38, Lordship.
38.
Lordship. 38 of the SBD documents. Lordship. The clause 42, Lordship. The content of the clause 42, Lordship. It's
No,
Lordship.
no, this is the tender clauses. SBD must be something different.
Lordship. Oh.
Huh? EPW 64 e-tendering.
Lordship. There is a Lordship, the tender matter is the very wealthy document, so I have only annexed the relevant documents.
No.
Lordship, anyway, Lordship.
What does it say?
Lordship. Anyway, Lordship, after the.
This is the tender clause only.
Lordship.
Along with the tender NIT.
Lordship.
Correct.
Lordship.
Even SBD, they must be talking about clauses of the IPVP.
Lordship. The Lordship, Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, the clauses which they have first minutes, Lordship, the technical.
Transgress clause 42.7 of SBD.
Lordship.
Where's the SBD?
Lordship, I have annexed the SBD,
No,
certain relevant documents along with
this
the.
cannot be. This is the requirements.
Lordship. Now, Lordship, may I, Lordship?
Is there no other SBD?
No, Lordship, what happened after that, Lordship? That is the first technical bid. That is the 22/11/2023, Lordship. And after we have submitted the representation, your Lordship will find on the next page of Annexure E, page number 57, Lordship. Lordship.
Transgress is Annexure 21A. Why this is 2/2? First is of 12 November.
Lordship.
Second is.
That is right, Lordship. I'm about to come in that document, Lordship. Lordship. after the first minutes of technical bid was Lordship uploaded in the website, Lordship, we have submitted the representation by saying that the clause which you have been by virtue of the clause which we are being rejected, Lordship, it is not even existed in the SBD, Lordship. Now after
They have issued a different
different technical
subsequent order.
subsequent Lordship, subsequent minutes of bid, Lordship. Now, Lordship, the certificate which they have said that we have not.
Who is appearing?
It's me. Lordship, on behalf of Tijamo, Lordship.
Where is?
Lordship, he is having some health issue, Lordship.
No, so this is important. You will have to take instruction. Can
Lordship.
you take the instruction?
Lordship.
Huh?
No, Lordship.
So what
Just,
to do?
Lordship, I have received this their application, Lordship. This petition.
No, can you take the instruction by tomorrow?
Lordship.
What is this discrepancy?
Okay, Lordship.
Huh?
Okay, Lordship. We'll take instruction
We'll hear
tomorrow,
it
Lordship.
tomorrow.
In the meantime, Lordship,
No, when is the technical bid?
financial bid is supposed to be open today, Lordship.
Huh?
It's today only, Lordship. Financial bid.
No, by this time it might have been open.
Because Lordship, even not admitting, Lordship, even for the fact that this technical bid, Lordship.
Then in that case, we'll say, if not open.
Lordship.
Huh?
Or Lordship, even if the financial bid is open, tenders should not be finalized, Lordship.
Then in that case, we'll take up tomorrow. Let them take.
Lordship.
Huh?
Lordship.
Let us see what is this. Have you understood?
Lordship.
Or Mr. Technical bid, na?
Lordship.
Mr. T. Garam, learned counsel, heard Mr. T. Garam, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr.
Ketabang.
Can I record your learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. T.
Tijamo, Lordship.
Learned standing counsel for the state of for education department. Appearing on behalf of all the respondents. No,
No, Lordship. There is a private respondent.
Respondent number 1 to 6.
Lordship.
1 to 6, Lordship.
Next paragraph. Challenge, next paragraph. Challenge in this with petition is the impugn rejection of the technical bid of the petitioner dated first is where?
22.
22.
Second is also on the 22. They have uploaded in a backdated Lordship. After they receive our representation.
No, first is 11 something like that.
22/11.
No, that is second one, page 56.
Lordship.
Where is your this thing? Same date.
Same date, Lordship. Second one is also on the same date, Lordship.
Okay. Dated 22/11/2023. Whereby the technical bid of the petitioner has been rejected. On the ground of firstly, on the ground of transgressing lordship. Not clear. Is it transgressing or something like that?
Lordship, transgression, clause 42.
Violation of clause 42 within bracket Roman, small Roman 7, bracket clause of SVT. And also the another rejection on the for non-compliance of alleged non-compliance of annexure 21 within bracket small capital A bracket clause serial number 47 within bracket Roman 17 bracket clause of SVT. The petitioner being an eligible class 3 contractor has participated by submitting his bid for construction of 100-bedded hostel under Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Abhasiya Vidyalaya. There is first synopsis at government primary school, Dulab, Upper Sibajur district, Arunachal Pradesh. In pursuant to the NIT dated 25/10/2023. Next one. Mr. T. Garam, learned counsel for the learned counsel, submits that he has the petitioner has submitted his bid, submitted the bid along with the required documents, particularly including the site visit certificate, which is annexed at within bracket, annexed at page 55, annexed at page 55. What is this annexed?
Lordship, this is the part of this documents, Lordship, which I have submitted before the
annexed at page 55 of the requisite clause. Which is the requirement of under clause under serial number 47 within bracket 17 of SBT. He submits that the petitioner, the respondent authority, while referring to Annexure D, page 56, at page 56, he submits that by order number EDN, capital, page 56, so and so, dated 22 November 2020, 22/11/2023. The bid of the petitioner is purportedly rejected on the ground of transgressing of clause 42 within bracket Roman 7, bracket close of SBT. Mr. The petitioner has filed a representation against this rejection before the commissioner, where you have stated
Lord, sir.
that this there is no clauses in your representation.
Lord, sir, that I have been, that the representation.
Where is it?
Lord, sir. Sir, will find page number 57, Lord, sir. That's.
What
Lord,
is
sir,
the order?
B, Lord, sir. No, no, not Lord, sir.
As the ground for rejection referring to clause 4, a clause 42 within bracket 7 bracket clause. Doesn't exist in the SBD. Surprisingly, the another minutes has been drawn on the same day by number so and so. That is 22/11/2020, page 59, huh? Where were the ground of rejection of public non-responsive, rejection has shown to be annexure 21 within bracket H, so and so, huh? Serial number 47 within bracket Roman 17, huh? Of SBT. He further submits that if the rejection is on the ground of serial number 47 within bracket 17 of SBT, same cannot be a ground as he has submitted the requirements, particularly site visit certificates, and submitted along with the bid documents. Next one. No, issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Returnable within 2 weeks, 3 weeks, huh? We'll make it 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 2 weeks. Next paragraph. How the learned counsel to the parties on the entry prayer. Next paragraph. Having considered the submissions of the learned counsel to the parties, It is noted that the tendering authority by minutes of technical bid of the dated 22/11/2022 has found the bid of the petitioner non-responsive on the ground of non-fulfillment of clause 42 within bracket 7 of bracket clause of SPT. Within bracket, which is annexed page, annexed D at page 56. Bracket clause. Just that. Subsequently, by the same minutes, subsequently, the technical bid committee by minutes dated 22/11/2023 and accept annexer F, page 59 within bracket clause. It is the bit of the ground of rejection is seen to be annexure 21 within bracket capital A bracket clause serial number 47 within bracket 17 of SVT. The petitioner appears to have submitted, and in case, no, Mr. The documents, the such action shows the discrepancies in rejecting the bid of the petitioner. It is also seen that the petitioner has submitted the said verification certificate as required under serial number 47 within bracket so and so, Roman 17, bracket of SBT. Mr. In view of the above, this code is privacy. No. In view of the above, the action on the respondent authorities privacy appears to be not in consonance with the requirements of the tender process. As such, I deem it appropriate to pass into the accordingly, it is provided that the NIT, the process of Is it the tender process? No, NIT dated, no, the process of tender pursuant to the NIT dated, NIET, huh? You just see, not NIT, NIET, dated 25/10/2020 shall not be finalized. Shall not be finalized till returnable date. The learned counsel for the respondent shall file the counter affidavit before the 1 week before the next date. 1 week before the next date of listing the matter. 1 week before the next date fixed, Mr. The learned counsel for the next para shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 7 and 8 within by registered post with the AG as well as usual process within 3 days from today. Extra copies be furnished to the learned counsel for the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondents. List after 2 weeks.